In this video, I want to show you how to update your PlayStation Portal. First thing you need to do is to drag from the top right corner, oops, just like that. Press Settings. From here, you're going to select over here System. The first option is System Software, and from here, you're going to select Update System Software. Now I am on the last update, so nothing needs to be installed, but if you have an update, it will appear on your display and it will ask you if you want to install it. Press install, and yeah, this is about it. One thing you need to know is maybe your system will need multiple updates. Let's say this console didn't got played during the last year. There's a good chance you're going to have multiple updates. So after one got installed, you'll have to redo what I just showed you to install the next one, and yeah, until there's none to be installed. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, but don't forget to comment. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.